tamarisk. It must be a very old tree. This was the first house was here. There was the entrance. The gate was an old pear tree. Ek gaan 'n versoekie kry dat sy bijekorwe weer onder hierdie bome sit, soos my ma altyd gehad het. Kan goeie oes kry, miskien 2 keer 'n jaar. En dan is waar die pad inkom vir die boonstek. Maar daar's 'n slot, so ons moet van die kant af inkom. This is the entrance to the original house. Oh, it's fallen down. There's a picture of me under this old pear tree. They even had a fountain. My grandparents built that section. Italian tiles, alles, all gone in the fire. Garage is still left. And there we are. Used to be vegetable gardens here. Nou is daar net bliksems 'n katbos. Brand hulle sommer met diesel. Net voor dit reën.